Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to turn off watch history on YouTube. If you want to turn off your watch history on YouTube, so you just have to follow some steps. First, open your YouTube app and here tap on your profile icon, and after that go to settings, and here you'll get an option of manage all history. Tap on it. In manage all history you will find an option of turning off. Here you have the option of saving your YouTube history. Tap on it. And here you can customize your YouTube history setting. If you want to turn off your YouTube watch history, so you just have to disable this. And if you want to turn off all of your YouTube history, so you just have to tap on turn off. Tap on it and then tap on pause. And now you have successfully turned off your YouTube history. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.